This next video we are going to look at changing decimals to percents, and then we're going to do it the other way. Decimals to percents or percentages. So what happens when you have a decimal? Well, I have 0.35. If I want to change that to a percent, what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to multiply times 100%. That's going to give me my percent sign to put on the end. 100 times 35 moves that decimal 2 places to the right. So this is 35%. Not too hard, is it? So I take my decimal, multiply it by 100%, put my percent sign down, and then move my decimal 2 places to the right, because multiplying by 100 does that. So let's do that in longhand. Easy way to multiply, bring down my 2 zeros. 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 3 is 3. I have 2 decimal places, so I start here, move 2 decimal places, so my zeros are gone, leaving me with 35. Okay, so let's look at another one. Let's look at 4.05 decimal. Okay, look, 4 is a whole number. That means my percent is going to be more than 100%, because 100% is the same as 1. So I'm going to be more than 100%, so I'm going to multiply this times 100%. Remember, put my percent sign down because that's what I'm multiplying by. And 100 times a number moves my decimal 2 places to the right, making 405%. Okay, let's do one about the other way. How about 0.0075? Okay, change it to a percent, multiply by 100%. There's my percent sign. 100 times 0.0075 moves that decimal 2 places to the right, making 0.75%. And I've been trying to put the zeros in front of the decimal if there's no number there. And the reason why is in nursing, they have to remember to put the 0 in. So that's something to keep in mind if you're going into nursing. Okay, now let's look at going the other direction. Percent to a decimal. So let's start with 55%. You're going to divide by 100%. The percent is going to cancel the percent, so you will not have a percent sign anymore. And 55 divided by 100 moves my decimal 2 places to the left. So this becomes 0.55. Let's actually do that division. 55 divided by 100. Okay, let's look. 100 will not go into 5. It will not go into 55, so I'm going to put my 0 to hold my place. 100 goes into 550 5 times. 5 times 100 is 500. Subtract, giving me 50, bring down my 0, and 100 goes into 500 5 times. So you can see that dividing by 100 moves that decimal place 2 places to the left. Multiplication moves to the right, division moves to the left. So now let's look at another one. How about 0.05%? We're going to divide it by 100%, eliminate the percent sign, move the decimal 2 places to the left. That means I've got to put more zeros in. So this is 0.0005. So be careful on these. As you see, it makes a big difference. Now how about 610% divided by 100%? Percent sign cancels. And this is going to move my decimal 2 places to the left, giving me 6.10 as a decimal, which makes sense because 600 is more than 100%. So therefore, you're going to have a whole part of that number when you're done in your decimal. Okay, hope you don't have any questions. Go ahead and enjoy.